Today, how to get your car windscreen smooth, but not just any smooth, super smooth, like glass. Which is handy because it is glass. But seriously folks, having a super smooth, super clean windscreen helps your windscreen wipers remove rain and dirt, helps your windscreen wipers operate smoothly and quietly, and they will last much longer. I've had 2 years out of these wipers, and the only reason I'm changing them today and doing this screen cleaning is because I had a brand new screen fitted yesterday. First of all, give your windscreen a wash down with a weak solution of your favourite car wash shampoo. Whatever else you do, do not use household detergents, and especially not washing up liquid. The chemicals and salts in washing up liquid attack your paintwork. Then give your windscreen a good clean down with whatever is your favourite glass cleaner and a clean, dry microfiber cloth. Most people stop at this point, but the next step is where the magic really happens. Give your screen a really good polish, and I mean a really good polish, plenty of elbow grease, with a clay mitt or a clay bar and some detailing spray. If you haven't got either of these, you could use some 0000 grade wire wool, which is the finest wire wool you can get. If you haven't got any detailing spray but you have got a clay mitt, you can just use water to lubricate it. I'm actually running out of my detailing spray, so I'm going to go for the water. Just plain water in a spray bottle. If you use a spray bottle like this that's been used for something else previously, do make sure that you wash the bottle and the sprayer out thoroughly before putting plain water in it. And of course, do the whole screen, don't just do the driver's side. Remove the streaking and give it a final clean with your favourite window cleaner again, and another fresh clean microfiber cloth, not the same one you used the first time. If you've had your car parked under a tree, you might want to use a razor blade to remove tree sap before you set to the cleaning process, or maybe use a commercially available tree sap remover. If you want to test for how smooth your windscreen is, run the back of your fingers over the glass. Your fingers should glide across the glass smoothly and easily. Run your fingers across the back screen and feel the difference. Now, I'm a great big fan of Rain-X and similar hydroscopic products. So I'm going to apply some Rain-X to the screen. In a few moments I'll show you how to get this off, tell you what the mistake is that most people make and why they end up with streaky screens. Allow that to dry, 5 minutes is enough. And while it's drying, go and get yourself another clean, laundered microfiber cloth and run it under your cold tap and bring it out so that it's damp. And with your damp cloth, polish the Rain-X off. Give it a good polish, lots of elbow grease, keep turning the cloth. This is the stage where most people go wrong with Rain-X and similar products, because they try to polish it off with a dry cloth, and it most definitely needs a damp cloth. Fit your new wipers. Bosch Aero are very good, amongst the very, very best in fact, although I'm also a big fan of these Lucas Airflex, which is what I've just taken off. Lay them back down on the screen and test. See how smooth and quiet those wipers are, and how the water beads up on the screen and just runs off. Top tip, give your front side windows and your door mirrors the exact same treatment. The whole process takes about 15 minutes, once every 3 months, and I've got a beautifully clear screen that I can see really well out of. If you got value from this video, here's another one you may well like, and I'll see you next time.